Hey everybody, welcome to the Crypto Saiyan channel. For today's video, we're gonna talk about these past historical crashes of Bitcoin. And I found an article which I'll leave the link down below, visualizing the history of Bitcoin crashes. Right? Are holders prepared for the next bull run? So I'll just read the article while you can look at the chart here, and I'll go over some of these numbers with you. It says the latest Bitcoin crash has some investors believing the end of days are near. Once bullish holders or hodlers and committed individuals now voice their concerns and fears that this crash indicates that the cryptocurrency market may be faced with a new normal. While the latest crash has been painful, it is best to step back and assess the current state of Bitcoin relative to its past. Bitcoin has crashed many times over the past several years, but how does this latest downturn compare to the past steep sell-offs? So in order to compare the most recent Bitcoin crash to other past panics, we decided to create a visual that clearly shows 12 other times that the top cryptocurrency has sold off. Each box represents a specific time period in which the price of Bitcoin came under extreme selling pressure. Using the Bitstamp Bitcoin to US dollar pair, our team found the specific highs and lows of the past crashes dating back to January 2012. Utilizing a blue arrow, we highlight the percentage of value lost during each sell-off. Lastly, we measured the length of each specific crash by stating the number of days the correction ultimately lasted. This is not Bitcoin's first rodeo. Top crypto has history of surviving crashes. Despite the steep 70% losses during the last cryptocurrency sell-off, this is not an unusual event for Bitcoin. Since January 2012, there have been 13 major corrections or crashes in Bitcoin, including this latest rout. Losses have been as minimal as 30% and as severe as 87% during these Bitcoin panics. Compared to its past events, this latest correction was not even as severe or painful as it has been in the past. The latest correction took place between December 17, 2017 and February 6, 2018, or 48 days, in which 70% of Bitcoin value was lost. So that's the one over here, okay? And the worst one, I think, was somewhere around 80%, which is, 83% over here. Where did I leave? However, if you look at the period between April 10, 2013 and April 12, 2013, Bitcoin lost an astounding 83% of its value over a 3-day period. Talk about a panic. The point is that crashes have become relatively common throughout the cryptocurrency market, which is known for its swift volatility. It is important to turn to data and the facts in times of turmoil rather than relying on one's emotions. So here are the breakdowns of the visual showing each of the corrections in Bitcoin by date of occurrence. It will also include the percent value loss and the length of correction in the number of days. So right now we're still going through a correction, but right now let me just see what the price is for Bitcoin. Last I checked was like $9,400. Check my Blockfolio, and it is $9,600. So yeah, it has recovered to some extent. So maybe the correction is slowly coming to an end, and we'll see a little bit more of a rise of Bitcoin. You know, some people still think it's going to 30,000, 50,000. Some say 100,000. So we shall find out. Overall, the latest correction in the price of Bitcoin is nothing out of the ordinary. History shows that the top cryptocurrency has sustained much more rapid losses during a shorter period of time over the course of the past several years, yet it has not discouraged long-term investors. Regulatory crackdown fears seem to be the main source of the latest crash, but the recent cryptocurrency regulatory hearing before the U.S. Senate struck a much brighter tone than crypto traders had anticipated. This shows that fears of regulators attempting to shut down the cryptocurrency market are overblown. In the end, cryptocurrency is still a very relatively new concept that will have its highs and lows, but its resilience in the face of uncertainty has been nothing short of incredible. So this is a The writer, his name is just Raul. He doesn't have a last name, and he just wrote it last week. Okay, so I'll leave a link to this article down below, so you guys could take a look at it. It'll give you breakdowns of the dates and everything in text. But you know, you already have all the dates here in this chart. So if you're holding Bitcoin and you bought at 15 or 13,000, do not worry. I think it's gonna go back up. And you know, in times like this, when things are down, a lot of people don't have the money to buy. But when things are going up and everything is peachy, people figure out a way to buy it because it's going higher. But, you know, it just gotta be disciplined. You gotta be patient and buy without emotion, and get in at a good time when things are on sale, like, you know, the past couple of weeks. So hope the video and the content was helpful. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you found the content helpful, hit the like button. And if you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below, and I'll speak to you guys later.